Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of management tools and how they've evolved over time. So, grab your popcorn, and let's get started. Our journey begins way back in ancient times, where early humans used simple drawings on cave walls to plan and organize their activities. Think of it as the very first to-do list. As societies grew, so did the need for better management. In the agricultural era, farmers started using tools like wooden plows to efficiently cultivate their fields, ensuring a more organized approach to farming. In the distant past, specifically during the Industrial Revolution, a transformative era unfolded, characterized by the widespread emergence of massive factories. The landscape was changing rapidly as these industrial behemoths proliferated across various regions. In the midst of this monumental shift, managers found themselves facing the intricate challenge of organizing and overseeing the operations within these sprawling manufacturing hubs. Picture it as a gigantic puzzle, a complex task of fitting various pieces together cohesively. The Industrial Revolution marked a distinct period of significant change in how goods were produced. Factories, characterized by their large-scale and mechanized production processes, became the hallmark of this era. Amidst this industrial upheaval, those in managerial roles, responsible for orchestrating the daily operations, confronted the need for innovative organizational methods. In response to this demand, managers began adopting visual aids such as pictures, charts, and graphs. These tools served as a means to keep meticulous track of production metrics, ensuring that the factories were operating efficiently and using resources judiciously. The integration of visual representation in the form of charts and graphs marked a crucial advancement in management practices. It allowed managers to gain insights into the production processes, monitor output levels, and ensure optimal resource utilization. In essence, these visual tools acted as a catalyst for improved decision-making, laying the groundwork for a more systematic and strategic approach to managing and organizing the complex web of activities within industrial settings. This pivotal step forward exemplifies how adaptability and ingenuity in managerial techniques played a vital role in navigating the challenges posed by the dynamic landscape of the Industrial Revolution. As we progress through history, we can observe how the methods of managerial organization and control have evolved. In the not-so-distant past, managers relied on manual tools like clipboards and stacks of paper. Their primary means of keeping track of plans and schedules involved physically jotting down tasks, akin to compiling a comprehensive to-do list on paper. The 20th century marked a pivotal transition into the computer age, bringing about a significant transformation in management tools. The advent of computers introduced powerful tools such as spreadsheets and databases, revolutionizing the organization and analysis of information. This technological leap significantly enhanced the efficiency of management tasks, allowing for more streamlined and effective handling of various responsibilities. Fast forward to the present day, and we find ourselves in the age of smartphones and tablets. These handheld devices, equipped with a plethora of applications, have become indispensable tools for modern managers. With specialized apps, managers can seamlessly coordinate teams, monitor the progress of projects, and communicate instantaneously, all from the convenience of their palms. This represents a remarkable advancement in the accessibility and speed of managerial processes, underscoring the continuous evolution of tools and technologies to meet the demands of a dynamic and interconnected world. From cave drawings to high-tech apps, the evolution of management tools has been truly remarkable. As we continue to advance, who knows what incredible tools the future holds? Thanks for hanging out with us on this time travel journey. Keep managing like a boss.